Welcome students, in this video we are going to talk about the standard form of a number. But before telling you about the standard form of a number, we have to go through two important concepts, that is place value of a number and face value of a number. The face value of a number is the value of that digit. For example, the face value of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3 and so on. Whereas place value of a digit is the value of number according to its position in the number. In the standard system or the US number system, the value of the digits of a large number starting from the right side are in the form of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion and so on. Whereas in Indian system, the value of the digits or the value of digits of a number starting from the right hand side are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab and then so on. Now the place value of a digit is the face value of the digit multiplied by the value of that position. For example, consider the case of a number 3156. Here the face value of the digits 3, 1, 5 and 6 are 3, 1, 5 and 6 respectively. Now for the place value of 6, its face value is 6 and its position value is units are 1. So the face value is 6 multiplied by 1 equal to 6. For the place value of 5, its face value is 5 and its position is tens. So place value is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 equal to 50. For the digit 1, its face value is 1 and its position is 100. So place value is equal to 100 multiplied by 1 equals 100. Similarly, for the digit 3, its face value is 3 and position value is 1000. Therefore, place value equals 1000 multiplied by 3, that is 3000. Now, if a number is given in the form of a decimal, then for the digits on the left side of the decimal, we have the number system as already mentioned, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But for the digits on the right hand side of the decimal point, we have position values as tens, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th and so on. Writing a number in the standard form. For writing any number as in the standard form, we write it as a product in the powers of base 10. To write a given number in the standard form, we write it in the decimal format, placing the decimal point just after the first non-zero digit starting from the left hand side of the number, and then multiply it with the power of 10 with appropriate exponents so that it yields the given number. For example, consider the case of a number 3120. To write it in the standard form, we write it as 3.120 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Since on expanding this term, we get the number 3120 because 10 to the power 3 equals 1000 and that 1000 multiplied by 3.120 equals 3120. In general, the exponent of 10 is equal to the positions the decimal point has shifted. If it has shifted to the left hand side, we take the exponent as positive, and if the decimal point has shifted to the right hand side, we take the exponent as negative. Here is an example. We have a number 52382. To write it in the standard form, we write it as 5.2382 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 because there are 4 digits to the right of the decimal point. Now for another example, we have a number 0.52. To write it in the standard form, we place the decimal point after the first non-zero digit, that is we write it as 5.2 and then multiply it with 10 to the power minus 1 since decimal point has shifted one position to the right. 3086.2 in the standard form is written as 3.0862 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 because decimal point has shifted 3 positions to the left. For number 0.002 in standard form, it is written as 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 since decimal point has shifted 3 points to the right. Here are some other examples. Do have a look at them. Hope you are clear with the method of writing any number in the standard form. Now for writing any standard form in the actual form, we just write the result of the multiplication of the standard form. For example, to write 3.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 in actual form, we multiply 3.2 with 10. That is 3.2 into 10 equals 32. Here the process is opposite to that of the standard form. Here positive exponent means that the decimal point has to be shifted to the right, and negative power or negative exponent states that the decimal point has to be shifted towards left. For example, for the given number 3.202 into 10 to the power 3, we have to shift the decimal point 3 positions to the right. That is, we write 3.202 into 10 to the power 3 as 3202.0. That is, decimal point shifted 3 positions to the right. Now there are some more examples given. You can have a look at them. For any doubts or questions related to the video, do ask me in the comment section. Thank you.